Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to change the background in Twinmotion 2023. Open Twinmotion, go to File, sign in to Epic Games. After that, go to Media, press this Add Image, scroll down to HDR Environment, press Enable, scroll down, you will see the HDR preview. Press this icon and go to library. You can choose whatever you want from these. Go to background HDR, scroll down, also go to library, and you have another scene like this one. Let's go to download. You can choose whatever you want from these background. And it will look like this.